Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more business. Now I'm at your website right now and I've copied your URL and I put it into my SEO scanner. I use RankDaddy for that. To look at your main, we're going to check your main heading tags. And the heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag is just right. We're at 66 length. Optimum length is between 10 and 70 characters, so you're right on the money there. Unfortunately, you don't have a meta description, and this is huge. This is why you are not on page 1. You don't have a meta description, and while it says the page, your H1 header tag is making good use of this, you should have keywords in here. Bakersfield Fencing, Bakersfield Fence Repair, Bakersfield Fence Contractor, something like that in here instead of your name. Because people are looking for, when they go to Google, they're looking for a service in the town. I usually pick, I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 companies on page 1, and then I get bids from them. So let's go to your website and see how it's ranking on Google right this moment. So I use another third-party tracker. It's called SERPtrack. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this and track your website every day. I've used these keywords to do Google searches: Bakersfield Fencing Contractor, Bakersfield Fencing Company, and Bakersfield Fence Repair. Unfortunately, you are on page 4. You're pretty buried, pretty deep, and you're not even in the top 100 for Bakersfield Fence Repair. Now we can fix that. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you ranked on page 1 and get you a lot more business if you can use it. If you have any questions, please respond to the email. Thank you so much.